Oh, f off. Well guys, today is a very special day. As you can see, I'm in a very beautiful place because I've got something to show you. Yes, exactly, I finally got a new car. But what could it be? I mean, take a look at this shirt here. Got it? Okay, now forget about it because I'm way too poor to afford a Ferrari. Okay, I get it. I don't want to waste your time, so without any further ado, check out my new thing. This is a 2020 Hyundai Veloster N. And I mean, take a look at it. I absolutely love it. I mean, come with me, this thing is absolutely stupid. Because on one side it has only one door. But then on the other side it has two of them. Why? No, okay, jokes apart, this thing is crazy. I don't know how to define it. I mean, you probably already know it has a 2-liter turbocharged engine with 275 horsepower. But check out the look of this thing here. The ginormous exhaust, the wing, the pretty big wing, the beautiful 19-inch wheels with the red brake calipers and the N Performance logo, red accents almost everywhere. And most importantly, this thing is not even sold in Europe. So yeah, I had to import this one from America. America! Yes, I'm pretty stupid, guys, if you haven't already noticed it. But I mean, how can I resist to something this beautiful? For real, guys, I love this thing. I'm so fucking happy right now. Okay, you've seen the exterior, but let's take a look inside. As you can see, it's very similar to the European version, the i30N, with the same steering wheel, infotainment. Oh yeah, of course it's a manual because racing car vibes, right? Standard sporty seats, but hey, it has two doors on one side and only one on the other. I just can't get over it. It's incredible. Thank you, Hyundai, for real. See, let's open this one. I was really surprised to see how much space there is here in the back. Yes, it's a sports car, but you can easily fit 4 people in there. Nice! Now let me show you one of my favorite things. Check out the lights. Doesn't it remind you of something? Nice one, Hyundai. Nice one. Oh yeah, and don't forget the third stoplight. Again, racing vibes. But yeah, this is not a brand new car, so there are many reviews on YouTube and over the internet. So why don't we just go for a drive? First of all, how does it sound? So, N mode, obviously. Foot on the clutch and... Okay. Nice barbers here. Oh yes, that's what I meant. Very well, I think we are ready to go. This thing is brutal, guys. Oh my god. Okay, I think the suspension is a bit too hard. Okay, way better. Yeah, unfortunately here in Italy we don't have very good roads, as you can see, but literally my first time driving my new car this hard, so bear with me for a second. was a bit too hard. Let me change the camera position. Okay guys, it was really a bit too hard and my suction cup broke. I guess poor quality. So well, now we are going to my head. Okay, here we are. So let's go. No, yeah, I will keep the soft suspensions because too many potholes. Okay, let's go. Oh, by the way, I never driven in those streets, so I will be careful, mildly careful. Let's close this one. Holes, like I told you. And we are with the softest suspension I can get. Wow, this thing is real fast. Also quite dangerous if you ask me, but yeah. I mean, here the exhaust, it's completely crazy and it's totally stock, guys. I couldn't believe myself when I saw this one, when I heard the exhaust. Listen. I mean, hopefully you can hear it. I'm not sure if my GoPro can get this sound properly. So yeah, I can pretty much definitely say the handling, oh f*** off, the handling is very good, as you can see. By the way, that's why I need to be extra careful in these roads, guys. So I'm sorry if I don't drive like 200 kilometers per hour, but I've had this car for just a week and I want it to last a bit, you know. But the handling, guys, the handling is just something else. And the engine has so much power. I don't know what to say. Well, I think that's enough for today. I mean, I'm still getting used to the car, so yeah, I have to be careful. That being said, guys, hope you enjoy my car. I will enjoy it a lot, of course, as you already saw. And again, sorry if it's not your usual supercar, but yeah, YouTube doesn't pay that well. So I guess I will see you in the next video, guys. Have a wonderful day.